Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Big shout out to the notification gang. Thank you so much, Modi, for being first in the notification gang. Thank you. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some blowout clip-ins, and we're going to go from this cute little afro to this even cuter blowout afro using the blowout clip-ins from CURLSQUEEN. And the clip-ins came in this really cute large satin bag that you can store the clip-ins in. I love when clip-ins come in satin bags, or hair comes in satin bags, because it just makes it so much easier to actually keep and store the hair. So this is what the clip-ins look like, and there is 10 pieces in this set of clip-ins. So I'm just going to take them out so you can see exactly what they look like. So they're quite big compared to the normal clip-ins that you would usually get. So I've got a set of clip-ins here, a 10-piece set of clip-ins, normal clip-ins. So this is the normal ones that you would get from other companies as compared to the ones that you would get from CURLSQUEEN. So the CURLSQUEEN clip-ins are actually double wefted, which means that they're a lot thicker. So the amount that's needed to fill up your whole head is actually less than the amount that you would usually need from another set of clip-ins, because the hair is actually thicker per set of clip-ins. So you can actually see here that the bandwidth is actually thicker because there's actually two sets rather than just the one set of hair. So it just makes it a lot easier, and it means that you can actually wear less clip-ins in your hair. So this is actually what the clip-ins look like. So obviously the other set that I'm using as comparison is not a Kinky set, but it's just there to show you guys what the clip-ins actually look like compared to the standard set that you would normally get from other companies and other suppliers. So the first thing I'm going to do is blow out my hair. So my hair has been stretched here, but I made sure to just spritz it with some heat protectant. And go in with my blow dryer brush just lightly to stretch out the hair. Now I'm not going to blow it out completely. I could have gone in and blowed it out again, and then also gone in with maybe a hair straightener, but as you guys know, I do not like to use heat on my hair too much. I do like to retain my curls, so I'm just gonna go in once. And this is what my hair looks like, just blown out with a few passes, lightly blown out. Next, I'm going to show you guys what the clip-ins look like compared to the standard that you would usually get from other companies. So on my left side, I have the standard clip-ins with a single weft that you get from other companies. On my right side, I have the CURLSQUEEN clip-ins, and I put in two sets of the 4 clip-ins. And this is what the side with the CURLSQUEEN looks like, and this is what the side with the standard clip-ins look like. So as you can see, there is far more density in just 2 clip-ins compared to what you would get with just the standard clip-ins, compared to what you would get from other clip-in companies. After that, I'm going to go in and apply the clip-ins to my hair. So there are other ways that you can put these clip-ins in. Rather than doing this method, you can actually braid out your hair at the back or have it in corners, and then apply the clip-ins there, and just use the front portion of your hair to sort of camouflage your clip-ins in. So this is what the clip-ins end up looking like, and this is not even a full set. This is actually only 7 pieces of clip-ins. It's not the full 10 pieces that I had received, and my hair is looking already so thick and so full. After that, I'm going to go in and blow dry my hair a little bit more to help blend the clip-ins in. In hindsight, I think these clip-ins would have blended in far better with my hair if I had gone in with a hair straightener after, to really just help decrease the kinkiness of my hair. But obviously I didn't do that, so you can tell the difference between the clip-ins and this. Regardless of that fact, the clip-ins really blend in so well. If you're like me and you don't like using too much heat, you can even manipulate these clip-ins so that your hair isn't sticking out. You can actually manipulate it in a way so that it blends a little bit better, such as just doing a half up, half down hairstyle. Or you can even do, which is my absolute favorite, I love using clip-ins for this method. It just protects your hair, make sure that, you know, especially during those winter months or when you're just feeling a little bit lazy, you don't have to do too much, is using the clip-ins for updos. Updos are my favorite, absolute favorite for using clip-ins with. So I used 2 sets of the 5 clips on this one to just get a really messy sort of high bun. And usually I do these type of buns when I'm going to work and, you know, when I'm going places and I just want to look cute really quickly with not too much fuss. So yeah guys, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this video. Make sure to comment down below your thoughts and like the video if you like the video. Don't forget to ring that notification bell so you don't miss a video anytime it's posted. I'll see you guys next week. Mwah.